problems doesn't define who you are. It's something you experience. You walk in the rain, you feel the rain, but you are not the rain. Good morning everyone, it's me Simrika Khatri from grade 9A2 standing in front of you all to deliver a short presentation on the topic mental health awareness. Today I want to address an issue that often goes unnoticed but profoundly affects our daily lives. We live in a world where we constantly talk about physical health, but mental health often remains in shadows, misunderstood and stigmatized. However, mental health is just as crucial as physical health as it influences how we think, feel and behave. Mental health issues such as anxiety, depression and stress are not uncommon, especially among teenagers. In fact, studies show that 1 in 5 young people will experience mental health challenges at some point. Yet, many young people refuse seeking help due to the stigma that surrounds it. This is where mental health awareness becomes vital. By raising awareness, we can begin to break down these barriers and create an environment where it is okay to talk about our struggles. Raising awareness is something we all can do. Starting a conversation is one of the most effective ways. By talking about mental health problems, we can normalize the topic and support those who are struggling. Thank you and have a great day.